Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to increase your folder size on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So Samsung lets you resize your app folders, but on the Samsung S25 Ultra, the customization goes deeper. So you can now expand the folder grid, letting you fit more apps into a single folder without tapping on it to see it in full screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here is an example. I've created two folders. So here, if you tap on it, it'll basically take you into a full screen mode. However, like this, you won't be able to see what is in your home screen. So in order to increase the folder size without losing the view to your home screen, you can go ahead and long press on it and then go ahead and tap on Enlarge. And now once you do this, the folder now remains in an enlarged state, and you can go ahead and tap on the app itself and open it. You can do this to multiple folders. And if you don't want it, you can go ahead and shrink this folder as well. So this basically gives you a cleaner home screen, more apps in one place, less clutter. And this is great if you're a power user or someone who likes to keep all the similar apps grouped together in a folder, like work apps, games, or social media. So there you go, guys. That is how to increase the folder size on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.